Hi, I'm Eddie from Toolden and I'm here with Tom from Makita UK, and he's going to be showing us the Makita DUB187 18 volt leaf blower.
Okay, so the DUB187, it's a brushless machine running on the LXT platform, so it's 18 volt. A few cool features about this one, actually it's got dual functions, so it's got blowing functions on there and suction functions, so for all your dry leaves and maybe dry grass clippings that you might have left on the lawn. It's got a 25 litre container bag at the bottom. Those modes, by the way, can be switched just with the touch of a one-touch lever, so it's really nice and simple. You don't have to mess around with screwdrivers or anything like that. It's just a one-touch lever, really nice and simple. Your controls at the top, you do have the option of a cruise control button as well. Okay, so rather than having to maintain pressure on that trigger the whole time, you can just rock your thumb and it keeps that cruise control at your selected speed. Or you can just use the trigger if it's just a small portion that you've got to do. 2 point of handle in there, so you've got your rear handle, your front handle, and it does come with a nice little shoulder strap as well. So that is really the DUB187.
What's the benefit of the mulching function?
Okay, great point. So inside the motor housing here, when the dry leaves get drawn up through the top nozzle here, it's actually got a mulching blade on the inside, so it's going to mulch down those dry leaves to make them a lot smaller particle size. So you're going to get more actually in your bag, and it's going to decompose a lot quicker as well. So it's really nice. And when you are doing that, by the way, you do have some nice casters, some wheels at the bottom of the unit as well. So as you are drawing up those dry leaves, you're not having to maintain and carry it around. You can just wheel it around on the floor. So it's really quite a well put together piece of kit.
Well, that's brilliant. So just grab yours today from toolden.co.uk.